What about you? And welcome to another Premier Lawns video. Welcome to the first grass cut of the year, 2020. That big yellow thing in the sky made an appearance this week. After the rain and the snow, I thought it would be a while before I was able to do the first cut of the year. The weather the last 3 or 4 weeks has been just terrible. I'm really very pleasantly surprised to get out this week. February the weather was a complete shocker, rain and snow all the time. Though apart from February, I think this winter's been very mild, and for the most part, then there's plenty of grass on most of my lawns. So for this video, instead of me talking about grass cutting, I'm going to talk to you guys about root density today and how it's really driven my business forward. But before we get there, if I could all ask you to do something. If you could give me a thumbs up and like the video and subscribe for more content like this. If you don't already subscribe, make sure you subscribe and you hit that bell icon so as you don't miss any future content. Welcome back to the first cut of the year, 2020. So about this root density, last year I changed some things around. In previous years, I used to cover a really large area for grass cutting and hedges and other general maintenance. And then whenever I moved to a proper two-man team, I really found that my profit levels were slipping, driving around Belfast and beyond. And now I only carry out general maintenance no more than 5 miles from base. Doing it this way means we can be really targeted in how we advertise to clients. Last year, Google My Business brought me a stream of leads. It's really important to get into the 3-pack, and I was right at the top of the 3-pack from a local area, and that brought me a stream of leads. Now, if you guys want some help in Google My Business, leave me a comment down below and let me know. If there's enough interest about it, I'll do a video about it in the future. We regularly fly around the same areas that we'll work 3 to 4 times a year. This generates a lot of work and leads to great work density, and that means less travel, and travel time is unbillable hours. Now, if you live in a rural location, this method might not work for you. I'm lucky that I live on the edge of Belfast, although it's also worth pointing out that I'm by the sea, so it cuts my radius by half. Though for higher ticket items such as driveway cleaning, then lawn treatments will travel much further for the work. Don't forget guys, just go ahead and smash that like button. It really helps me out, and subscribe for more content like this. Listen, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.